everyone, welcome back to my channel, never tasted before. Today we are going to prepare chicken labadar with easy and available ingredients. I'll show you. Here I have taken 500 grams chicken, washed and cleaned it properly. 2 medium sized onions sliced. 1 cup of curd. 2 tomatoes blanched and formed into a puree. 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. This is cashew nut paste. I have taken a cashew, boiled in the water and formed it into a paste. 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric and 1/4 teaspoon of dhaniya powder. And here are dry masala. This is cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, elaichi and peppercorns. Let's start preparation. The first step is marination. In a chicken add curd, here 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, little bit of turmeric, salt and little bit of dhaniya powder, just little bit. You have seen how much I have taken, very less. Now mix this all well. After mixing well, close the lid and keep this aside for marination for 30 minutes. Let's start preparation. In a pan, I have already taken 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil gets heated, add chopped onions, cook it till golden brown. After onion gets brown, add our dry or whole masalas. Cook it for a minute. After a minute, add all the masalas which I have shown. Again cook it for 2 minutes till it cooks properly. When it cooks nicely, add the blanched tomato puree. Cook it well. In the same, you add the cashew nut paste and let it get cooked on the high flame for 5 minutes. You can see it started leaving the oil. Now in this, add the marinated chicken. Mix it well and without covering the lid, cook it on the high flame for 5 minutes. After cooking on high flame, it looks like this. Now in this, add half a cup of water. Mix well and let it cook on the medium flame for 15 minutes. Let's see, after 15 minutes, you can see it has started leaving the oil and chicken has cooked nicely. Now in this, add fresh cream. Mix it well. Cook for a while. Let's see. Wow, it's cooked nicely. A yummy, tasty chicken labadar is ready. Now transfer in a bowl and do some garnishing. I have transferred in a bowl and garnished with the fresh cream. The yummy, tasty chicken labadar is ready. Try this recipe and do comment me whether you like this recipe or not. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, never tasted before, and click the bell icon for the notifications whenever I upload a new video.